Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious hot Italian sausage sub sandwich with peppers, onions, marinara sauce, and cheese. So let's get started. For the main ingredients for our hot sausage sub sandwich with peppers, onions, marinara sauce, and cheese, we have Johnsonville Italian sausage here, and it's hot. Yep. We're probably going to use 2 links. And over here we have our marinara sauce that we made. Boy, is that tasty. Yep. And back here we have a cupful of mozzarella cheese. Yeah. And over here we have a half of a yellow onion that we're going to slice up. And we got about a quarter of a red bell pepper that we're going to use up here. And we're probably going to use about half of this green pepper. Maybe half. It's a big one. Yeah. And back here we have our sub roll. Yeah. Boy, that looks nice, doesn't it? Okay, yep. And over here we have a green onion that we're going to slice up and make some garlic butter out of it. Yeah. And then spread it on our sub roll. Yep. And make it taste really good. Okay, let's get some of this out of our way and put it aside. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and slice up our nice green bell pepper. And we're going to use our aceti knife. It's a Santuco knife. And we did sharpen it with our Any Sharp knife sharpener, and this thing is still working good, and it comes in handy, and it doesn't damage your knives if you do it real gentle like, because you only need like 2 or 3 pulls through there, and it really works good. Okay, let's slice this up. Alright, put that aside, and we'll go ahead and, because this is a big green pepper, so we might use all of it, we don't know yet. Let's just go ahead and slice it up. Look how sharp that knife is. And we sharpened that yesterday, so it is definitely sharp. Okay, that's probably good enough. And we'll go ahead and cut them in half, maybe twice. Okay, and we'll go ahead and put them in a bowl. Alright, now we'll take our quarter of a big red bell pepper and we'll slice that up. Okay, and we'll cut them up. And we'll put them in there. Now we'll take our half of a yellow onion here and we'll slice that up. Okay, let's chop them up in half. Okay, we'll go ahead and put them in the bowl. And we'll break them up a little bit and mix them up. Okay, there they are, guys, our vegetables. Yeah. Alright, let's put these aside. Okay, let's go ahead and chop up some of the green onion. We're only going to use a little bit of this to make our garlic butter. Yeah, that sounds good. Alright, let's go ahead and let's cut this off about here. Okay. And we'll chop this up. It's a pretty big one. Alright. Okay, go ahead and chop them in half. You know, kind of fine, you know. Okay, that's good. Let's put them in a bowl. All right. Okay, now to our green onions. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. Yeah, put that right in there. And 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Put that in there. Let's go ahead and mix that up. And there you have it, our quick and easy garlic butter. Yeah, let's put this aside. Well, there you have it, guys, our main ingredients to make a delicious hot Italian sausage sub sandwich with peppers, onions, and cheese. Yeah. And over here we have our delicious marinara sauce that we made. Yep, and over here we have our garlic butter that we made to put on our sub roll. Yeah, this is gonna be good. We have 2 Johnsonville links. They're Italian hot sausage, and that's gonna make this taste really good. Okay, let's get started cooking. Yeah, that sounds good. Let's do that. Okay, let's set our burner to medium high, and we're gonna put some oil in the pan. And we're gonna let that get nice and hot. Okay, our pan seems hot enough. Now we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of minced garlic in there. Now to that we're gonna add our peppers and onions. Now we're looking for our onions to get nice and translucent here, and everything nice and tender. Okay, let's lower the heat to medium-low. Boy, that smells good with that minced garlic. Yeah. Now if your pan kind of dried up on you a little bit, you can add a little bit of water, but ours is okay. Okay, let's check them out. Oh yeah, they're about done. Okay. Okay, let's get them out of there. Okay, there they are. Our red and green bell peppers and onions, all ready for our nice hot Italian sub sandwich. Yeah. Now if you need to, put a little more oil in the pan, and we'll take our nice Johnsonville hot Italian sausage and we'll put them right in there. Okay, let's flip them over. Boy, they look good. Okay, we're gonna cook these and brown them up and make sure they're done. And we're gonna turn our burner to medium-low. Boy, they smell good. Yeah, they're starting to look good. Okay, let's use a meat thermometer and see how we're doing. Should be like 160 something. Oh yeah, 165. Okay, we're good. Okay, let's shut off our burner and get them out of there. Boy, don't they look good? Look at them. Yeah, they're done just nice. Nice and brown on the outside and probably a little crispy, which is good. Alright, let's put them aside for a minute. Okay, let's take our pan, put it aside. And we'll take our cast iron griddle. Yep. And we're going to build our sandwich right on there. We're going to take our nice sub roll and we're going to put it right here. Just like that. And we're going to take our garlic butter that we made and we're going to put that on there. Spread that around. Okay, now we're going to take just a little bit of our mozzarella cheese and we'll put that on there. Okay, maybe we'll put a lot on. Yep. No, it needs mozzarella. Yeah, because we like our mozzarella. Now we're going to take our delicious hot Italian sausage and we're going to put that right on there. Just like that. Beautiful. Okay, it's going to hang out a little bit. That's good. Now we're going to take our red and green bell peppers and onions that we cooked up and we're going to put some of them on there. Okay. Boy, does that smell good. And it's getting bigger all the time. Yep. Now this is the perfect time to season it up if you want to. I'm not going to do too much seasoning. I'm just going to put a little extra pepper on there and a little bit of garlic powder. There you go. That's all we need. Now we're going to take our marinara sauce. Yep. And we're going to put some of that on there. Just like that. Okay. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to fold this one up. No. Then we're going to take some more mozzarella cheese. Yep. And we're going to sprinkle that on top. Okay, now just for good measure, we'll put a little bit more of the marinara on top of there. That's the way to do it. Boy, that's looking good. That's huge, by the way. And probably I'll never be able to fold it up, but we might be able to like bring the halves together. Yeah, okay. Now we're going to sprinkle a little bit of oregano on top of there. Just like that. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to put that in a preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 5 to 10 minutes until our cheese and everything is nice and melted and our garlic bread is toasted around the edges real nice, and it'll be done. And then I can't wait to have a taste test. So let's go ahead and put it in the oven. Okay guys, here it is. Wow, look at that. Our hot Italian sub sandwich with peppers, onions, marinara sauce, and plenty of cheese. Boy, does that smell good. Yep, it's still bubbling. That sounds good. Okay, now all we have to do is get this on a cutting board and have a taste test. Boy, this is going to be a big one to fold up. Okay, let's do that. Let's have a taste test. Okay, here it is guys, right out of the oven. Our hot Italian sausage sub sandwich with peppers, onions, marinara sauce, and cheese. Wow, plenty of cheese, plenty of sausage, and plenty of flavor. Yeah. Now all we have to do is see if we can fold this up a little bit and get a taste test. Yeah. Let's go ahead and fold it up a little. Wow, let's see if we can do it. Holy mackerel. Okay, that's about it right there, I think. Right about there. Okay, that thing is huge. I can't even shut it. Okay. Well, that's pretty good. We'll just leave it like that, right there. Yeah. Boy, does that look good. Okay, let's go ahead and cut this in half and have a taste test. Let's do it. Beautiful. Look at that onion right there. Done perfect. That garlic bread is toasted just nice. Boy, this is going to taste good. All right, let's just get into a bite. Wow, look at that. Can you see it? That's unbelievable. All right, let's have a bite. Oh yeah. Boy, is that tasty. That's just plain delicious. Yep, go ahead and make them this way, because boy, are they tasty. Well, there you have it, guys. A delicious hot Italian sausage sub sandwich with peppers and onions and marinara sauce with plenty of cheese. Boy, is that tasty. And it's on top of a garlic bread sub roll. Yeah, the flavors are just amazing. Yep, you know what will go good with that right there? A nice wobble pop. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Good.